English Shorthand Senior Grade First Paper January 2019. Yes, get ready, start. Dear friends and respected principal, before I begin my speech on waste management, please allow me to extend special thanks to our college committee members and principal for always encouraging programs based on social awareness. I sincerely hope that my fellow students would get maximum benefits out of it by informing themselves about the burning issues of our times that our nation is fighting with every day. One such problem that has caught people's attention in the current scenario is the ever increasing waste and our inability to deal with it. With the ever growing human population and increasing living standard of people and industries have also been established to meet the growing human needs for survival. Of course, new agricultural methods are adopted with the help of pesticides and fertilizers for meeting the growing needs for consumption. So much other things are also practiced for a comfort living. In return, waste matter is generated from industrial and domestic activities which is dumped into our surroundings. Cities are now struggling with the problems of high buildup of waste and its impact on our immediate and global environment. As a result, environmental pollution has come to an alarming stage where our environment is experiencing an irreparable damage. Solid and liquid wastes as well as gas particles released from the industries, runoff, pesticides and fertilizers from the agricultural practices as well as household sewage from urban regions have come to a point beyond disposal. To understand it more precisely, I would say that waste management is the process of treating solid waste. It also offers variety of solutions for recycling items that don't belong to trash or are completely discarded and of no use. Waste management is about how garbage and waste can be used as a valuable resource for us and our future generations. Waste management disposes of the products and substances that you have used in a safe and efficient manner. Rubbish, garbage, and waste can cause air and water pollution. Rotting garbage is also known to produce lot many harmful gases that mix with the air and can cause breathing problems in people. Waste management is something that each and every household, human being, and business owner in the world needs. There are many authorities that collect such waste and focus on recycling it for the betterment of the society. This is done by method of regular collections. These industries work on overall concept of waste management. It includes all amongst other things collection, transport, treatment and disposal of waste together with monitoring and regulation. Waste can easily be converted into a reusable things by getting it recycled. We as individuals should put in our efforts to work on waste management for the betterment of ourselves, our future generation and the overall economy. We all should understand that waste can be created by anything. It can be generated during the extraction of raw material, the processing of raw materials into intermediate and final products, the consumption of final products or other human activities including municipal, agricultural and social activities. And waste management is intended to reduce adverse effects of waste on health and the environment. However, the problem has also given citizens an opportunity to look for solutions by involving their society and private sectors by involving latest innovations for disposal of waste, and last but not the least, involving behavioral changes and raising people's consciousness. It is high time when we have to do a smart handling of waste and actually understand whether waste is indeed a waste or not. There is an obvious requirement for the latest waste disposal technology which is centered on municipalities and makes use of high energy technology in order to progress towards processing and recycling of waste. The easier waste management method would be to bring down the formation of waste materials. This way we can control the quantity of waste thrown in the landfills. You can recycle old materials for waste reduction, and it can be bags, jars, repairing broken pieces rather than buying a new one, avoiding the use of disposable items such as plastic, glass and bags, putting into use second-hand products and purchasing products that do not require much designing. Then composing is yet again a natural biodegradation based process which makes use of organic waste like kitchen waste and remains of garden or plants and transforms into nutrient rich food for your plants. It is one of the excellent methods of waste disposal where it can transform unsafe organic items into safe compost. Landfills are the highly sought methods for the disposal of waste these days. Landfills are only successful where there is a lot of space, and unfortunately it is a success only in developed countries. However, it is said that landfills lead to water and air pollution and inevitably affect the environment. So besides this, you can look for other methods I have just described for waste management and protect your environment from the hazardous impact of filled up waste. Thank you. Dear sir, we thank you for your prompt reply, and after having considered the points raised in your letter, we have pleasure in appointing you as our agent for South India. You will be our sole representative, and we feel sure that your long experience of business will be valuable and lead to an extension of our retail trade. Although we have confined ourselves mostly to the sale of hardware, we have decided to extend the scope of our operations. The directors at their last meeting stated that it would be advisable to include paints in our list of products. So you will have an opportunity of developing the new side of our business. From your application, we notice that you are well qualified to deal with these two branches, especially since you understand both the manufacturing and the commercial aspects of the business. As a firm of 30 years standing, we are well known in South India, and although we have not previously had a representative, our goods have been distributed over a large area. The reason for appointing you is that we feel certain that your efforts will increase our sales. In addition to the details given in our previous letter, we give the following particulars to which we call your attention. The terms offered are a salary of 200 rupees per mensem and a commission of 5% on all orders. A reasonable amount will be allowed to you for out-of-pocket expenses incurred in visiting the different parts of your area. The terms of payment are 10% trade discount on all accounts and 5% for cash within 1 month. Price lists and other printed matter will be provided by the firm free of charge, and any suggestions from you will be appreciated. Circulars containing details of the extended business are now being prepared so as to be ready for distribution when required. After you have considered the matter, we shall be glad to know if you will accept the appointment. We are enclosing for your guidance a copy of the agreement and hope to hear from you as early as possible. Yours faithfully,